Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? How are you doing today? Good afternoon, good morning. You guys asked for it, and we are live today. Come on, guys. If you can hear me, let me know you guys can hear me. Type in I can. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're joining from. So, as usual, you want to share, click on the share button, help somebody to see these guys. Today's session is going to be amazing. I'm going to be talking more about cryptocurrency. Okay. Tell me where you're joining from. Tell me where you're joining from. Where are you joining from today? Good afternoon. Good morning. Let me get. Good afternoon. Tell me where you're joining from. Thank you for liking. Where are you joining from? So let's click on the button. Let's share. I'm sharing right now. You also need to share. See. So let's share. Let's share on groups. Let's like. Today's session is going to be really amazing. Share to groups. Hey, Mr. Collins, how is it going today? How is it going? How is your crypto portfolio doing? Mark, Mark Pius, how are you doing? Good afternoon. Okay, so let's share. We still have 2 minutes more to share. Let's share. Click on the share button. Okay. Colin said, just bought Shiba. Just bought some Shiba. Okay. We'll check Shiba. We'll check Shiba Inu. We'll check Shiba Inu. We'll check Shiba Inu. Mark, which asset do you have? What asset do you have? Let's share. Let's help other people see these guys. Click on the share button. We're going to be discussing about cryptocurrency today. Fantastic. One more minute. Click on the share button, like, help somebody else to see this. And let's talk about the in the cryptocurrency market. So I'll check Shiba Inu and see what is happening in the Shiba Inu space. Ola told me what good afternoon. Good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, ma'am. How is it going today? How is it going today? Okay, guys. So you're welcome to Financial Freedom with my Wawulabi, guys. And today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency live updates on what is happening in the cryptocurrency market. And I'm really, really excited about this season because one of the seasons you don't want to miss out on is the season where the market is bearish. No matter how much you want money, the only time you can make money in this market when it comes to cryptocurrency is when the market is bearish. And if you have been following me for a while now, you know what I've been telling you guys about this cryptocurrency for a very, very long time. I've been telling you about what is possible, where you should buy, you know, and what you should be doing. And guys, I can tell you for free, this is the time to begin to harness what is possible. Begin to save up because we're going to be buying, like buying. So yesterday we spoke about, I posted on Facebook, and a lot of people like, what is happening when I posted the federal rate hike? Okay, and a lot of people are saying, oh, what does that mean? What? Okay, so we're going to start with that today. Then we'll take it to what we expect. Then I'll share my view on what I'm expecting. Then we can shoot. Okay, we can shoot. Fantastic. Then we'll also check. Good afternoon, Mr. Gabriel. How are you doing today? Fantastic. So let's start with the interest rates. So yesterday, I told you about the interest rate. I posted it, and what happened is the fact that the interest rate has been increasing for the past 1 year, and this is not favorable to the system. Now, what it means is that whenever there is interest rate increment, okay, there won't be opportunity to be profitable, and businesses begin to struggle. Okay, businesses begin to struggle. Okay, currently the interest rate that we have currently right now, the US interest rate that we have currently right now, has not happened for over 10 years. Okay, over 10 years. But the hike that happened from the announcement yesterday has never uh, happened last, sorry, about 30 years ago. Okay, and what that means is that the people will begin to struggle, and it will lead to recession. And when the recession happens, the government will begin to look for ways to create another new set of money or create another uh, way that people can use to make money. Like the last time, stimulus check was shared. So it means that a crash is coming, like a major crash is coming. And this crash will affect a lot of ecosystem like real estate. It's going to affect the other ecosystems, and even the so-called stocks market will be affected, and cryptocurrency, which is what I tell you, that's the time to buy. That's the time you need to wait for and buy. So you can see here that the US Central Bank has announced its biggest interest rate rise nearly 30 years as it ramps up its fight to rein in supreme consumer prices. The Federal Reserve said it will increase its key interest rate by 3/4 of the percentage point to a range of 1.5% to 1.75%, and that's crazy. Okay, the rise, the third since March, come after the inflation in US surged unexpectedly last month. And when there's inflation, there's a lot of issues with that. So it's like living fake life. When you see things cheap, it means that these things should be expensive. So loans, people will be having issues servicing their loans. People will not be able to get the food to eat, their foods to eat. The kind of food they want to eat, it will become expensive. And when it happens to US system, I can tell you for free that it's going to happen to other countries, because a lot of countries currency is attached to US. Okay, so the kind of influence that US currency has is going to tell. Okay, so this is very, very good and bad. Okay, bad in the sense that those that have not planned for it, or those that don't know what they will do with it, they'll be complaining. Okay, good, because those that are informed, they know what to do. It means that there will be a lot of opportunity. Whenever there is famine in the land, it's a time where there's called wealth transfer. Okay, and the only time to see wealth transfer is that the people that have been able to have some amount of money can buy things at a very cheaper rate, very, very cheap rate. Okay, so this rate hike is not a good one for the economy. So the economy will definitely crash, and when the economy crash, they will need for solution. So when solution comes in, then there will be another bull run. Okay, so the truth of the matter is that because this happened last 30 years ago, the next bull run we're going to be going through right now is going to be a very long bull run that could last for about 5 years to 10 years. Come on, guys, if you are gaining some value, type in I'm learning right now. Type in I'm learning, type in I'm learning, type in I'm learning. Hey, Gabriel from Malabo, okay, Equatorial Guinea, fantastic. Hey, good afternoon, Anki and Co. Good to have you. Because this has not happened for a very long time, it means that when the bull run picks up, it's going to go for as far as more than the usual. The usual is always 3 to 4 years, okay, 2 to 3 years. Then the market has a pullback, okay. But this time around, when it hits, okay, the market goes. The market goes, and when the market goes, so between the next 5 years to the next 10 years, you're going to be enjoying an amazing money flow, because the market needs to restore back to where it was before. So get ready for a very long time pull. Okay, Now, the next one I want to talk about right now is that companies begin to lay off. Companies will begin to lay off because they will not be able uh, to make payments, to pay salary. Okay, for example, what's the name? Coinbase is already planning to lay off. CRO is is planning to lay off Israel from South Africa. Go to RB Israel. Okay, CRO, crypto.com, which is CRO, is laying off 260 staff. So where will these 260 staff go to? Okay, BlockFi is laying off 20% of their 850 employees. That's a lot, guys. That's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. Even the CEO of two, even even Coinbase, the so-called Coinbase, is also laying off. Where's Coinbase report? Coinbase also is laying off. So as Tesla, is laying off. He has announced that on his personal profile that Tesla will be laying off. And you see, people will definitely go into the recession mode. So what are you doing right now? What's your plan to overcome the forthcoming crash that is coming? Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase shares this week that they're going to be letting go a fifth of its workforce, or around 1,100 people. Guys, who will take these people in? Okay, real estate firm, okay, Compass and Redfine will be laying off 10% and 8% respectively. Okay, so when all of this is coming into the system, it means that there will be a crash. Okay, and when the crash comes in, the wealth transfer opportunity will come in. Chibueze Honor, thank you so much for joining on LinkedIn. So this crash is going to hit the market really strong. Okay, so we need to position, everybody on the call, come on, type in position. We need to position ourselves to begin to get ready, because there will be a lot of money that we can all make in this market. There will be a lot that we can make in this market, but we must be ready, okay, to make the kind of money we're talking about. And I can tell you guys for free right here that the next bull run will make a lot of people very wealthy. Very wealthy. Okay? Stock market is going to crash more. Stock market. Because when there is issue, when there is a lot of layoff outside there, people will begin to go and sell off their portfolios. Somebody that has Amazon will sell off. People just be selling off because, okay, they want to keep fit. They want to be able to sustain their day-to-day earnings. Okay, and this will not help the system. However, this is my advice. If you can do without selling assets in your portfolio, please don't. Because you now need to do what is called dollar cost average on it. Except you have crisis, or there's a crisis you need to solve, which I trust God for you that it won't happen to you. Okay, guys, because when you sell, when there's a crash, you're going to be losing. You're going to be losing. Imagine somebody who bought Axie Infinity at $110, and currently Axie Infinity is less than $20, and you now go and sell. That's about 80% loss. So you don't want to sell. So what do? Is you find a way to do what is called dollar cost average, DCA, so that you can buy when it's low and make more as the market gets back. Now, the truth also is that it's not going. Every project will not succeed. Okay, every cryptocurrency will not succeed. So this also is another opportunity for you to rearrange your portfolio. Some of you, 80% of your portfolio is meme coin, shit coin, because that is what somebody told you on YouTube to buy. Okay, that is very, very wrong, and you're going to be missing that, because a lot of meme coin will not uh, will not overcome, or will not come back into the market once the crash hits, and they will rug pull, and as they rug pull, your money is gone. So this is opportunity to rearrange your portfolio and make sure your portfolio is in minimum 4 structure. That is what that's what the people in our community do. Number one, you want to have a portfolio that has the major. And what are the major? The king and the queen, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everybody type in king and queen right now. Comment king and queen right now. No matter how much you need money, this is the time to buy Bitcoin and not sell till you get to at least 100,000. This is the season, because I'm going to share with you the amazing cycles that happen in this space. And the second, the use case for a Bitcoin is the king. Is the king. So you don't want to do without it. And I'm also going to be giving you my speculation, okay, with amazing analysis of where Bitcoin is going to be going on. It's going to be where we're going to be buying Bitcoin from. Okay. I'll also tell you where we're going to be buying Ethereum from. This is my view. Okay. I'm not saying you should buy it. Okay. It's okay. My name is Maya Wolabi. I'm not your financial advisor. Okay. Everything I mentioned in this video is for educational purpose. Good. That's my disclaimer. So what I'm giving to you is a first level information. So you do your own level. Okay. You do your own before you put your money in. So this two is the basics, and you need to, is the major, sorry, and you need to have it. Now, the second one is the second classification of projects you want to have is blockchain. Blockchain and ecosystem. These are projects that projects are leveraged on, that a lot of projects cannot do without. A lot of projects cannot do without. So what are these kind of projects? A lot of them. We have about 19 or 30 thereabout. Okay. A lot of projects that are blockchain, and they are amazing. The last one I told you guys on YouTube is Near Protocol. Near Protocol is an ecosystem. So you want to ask yourself, where are the blockchain and ecosystem projects that I believe can do 10x, 20x in the next bull run? That's the next thing you want to begin to ask yourself. Do you want to classify your portfolio in that portfolio, in that in that second category. And the third category you need to put your portfolio in are DGens and Launchpad pre-sales. DGens and pre-sales. Oh, this project just came out. Yeah. Does that mean you should put your money? No. You want to first ask yourself, which of the category does this particular project falls in? Okay. The last but not the least is meme coin. So it is 30, 30, 30, 10. Come on, type that down. Write down in your comment box right now. 30, 30, 30, 10. $30, $30, $30, $10. No matter what you have. So if I have $1,000 portfolio, I will have $300 in Ethereum and Bitcoin. I will have $300 in blockchain projects and ecosystem. The third one, I will have $300 in DGens, and then I will have $100 in meme coin, shit coins. The reason why a lot of people are putting too much money in shitcoin is because they don't understand what portfolio is all about. You need to have an LD portfolio, because 8 out of 10 shitcoins will not survive. So imagine all your portfolio is 80% shitcoin, and you read on YouTube that somebody's portfolio, somebody did 1,000,000% on shitcoin. You now want to put all your money on shitcoin. You're on your own. You're on your own. See, because you don't understand the rule of money. The first rule of money is to protect your capital. The second rule of money is protect your capital. The third rule of money is protect your capital. Don't lose money. In the words of Warren Buffett. Some of you want to make a lot of money investing, but you have not read Warren Buffett books, or you've not watched the interviews of Warren Buffett. So it's very, very important that we have this understanding. You don't want to be trapped in the next bear market. So you want to be able to say to yourself, oh, this is the portfolio I have. Then it's not also a must that you have all projects. Some of you, the portfolio is $1,000 and you have 40 projects or 30 projects. You have $50 here, $50 here. No. You can't make money in cryptocurrency that way, guys. It can't work. It can't work, right? It can't work. So that's why I'm of the opinion that this is an opportunity for you to really, really get it right when it comes to cryptocurrency. Okay. So right now, I said it yesterday during the Forex section that I'll be looking at Bitcoin around 9,000. 9,000. Anything below 11,000, that's what I'm going to be looking at. But my main target is 9,000. When I see 9,000, I can start buying. And when I buy, I'll be waiting for it to go to 80,000, 100,000. And somebody say, why did you say that, Mr. Mawa? It's because when the market started, look at the crash had to come. Look at 2017, there was bull run till December. Then the pullback started. And this pullback started in December 2017. It ended February 2019. Look at. January 2017, no, December 2017, January 2019. That was about 1 year. 1 year, 2 months. So that's about 15 months. So look at this guy too. From here, where is it? November 2001, right? Good. To this place where we are right now is still less than 8 months. Okay. So I'm still expecting that the next 2 months, Bitcoin is coming down. That's my view. Okay. I can be wrong because some people are saying that they are buying at this support and resistance. Okay. It's possible that the market will reject there, come back to 42,000, then drop back to 9,000. Okay. It's possible. Okay. I'm not Bitcoin. Just that when I say it, it's about 80%. 20% is because I'm human. Okay. So, guys, what happened today that the market went up by 6%? I know some of you have said, is it going back up? Start buying. No, guys. You don't buy on thin air. You buy at the point of interest zone. That's the only place to buy. So I want to beseech us because I know a lot of you want to buy and make some money, but I'll tell you, my view is that you guys should hold on so you can make good money from this space. Okay? And make good money from this space. So let's check the second one, which is Ethereum. Ethereum. So I said, and if you check also, you see that Ethereum also started selling December 2017. And Ethereum also started picking up January 2019. Because see that it's the same time. This guy also started selling November 2021. So you have to wait because they move together. Okay. You have to also wait, okay, for Ethereum. Okay. Should I say this one? Are you mature to handle it? Please. It's just my view. I've told you. So I'm expecting Ethereum to drop below $200. To drop below $200. So when it gets to $200, that is when me, Maya Wowolabi, and the people in our community will start buying. You know, I've been talking about the crash since January. For those of you that follow me well. But guys, you have to find a way to wait in the next 6 months before this begins to look like what people will put money in. A lot of us said, say it, boss. I'm just trying my best. So $200. See, that's my view. I know different people with different analysis. Okay, but that's my view. That's my take. It has to come below 200 before I can buy Ethereum. I didn't buy Ethereum at 4,000. I didn't buy Ethereum at 3,000 because I've always told you that when an asset goes up, it will definitely come down. So don't join it when it's going up. Say it, boss. Yeah, I'm trying my best. It will always come down. See, there's a particular asset that gave us over 11,000 last year as AXS. A lot of people bought ASS when ASS started going back up. But guys, it is not wisdom to buy asset when it's going up. You buy the asset when it's cheap. You buy the asset when it's cheap. I told the people in our community to buy this asset when it was around $1. For some of you that followed me last year, we bought it around $1 40 something cents or 40 something cents. I can't remember the exact price, right? Watch carefully, guys. We bought it then and it gave us over 11,000%. That is when some people are buying. Some people are buying at this level. Some people bought here on this big candle. They are negative right now. So you don't buy at that level. You have to buy when it comes back. That is why I did not buy Luna. Because when I saw Luna have done over 3,000%. I can't put my money in there. Oh, Luna is a good project. Luna is good. Luna is that. You only buy when the market crash. Come on, guys, show some love if I'm helping you. So right now, I'm waiting for Femi John said, table broken. I'm waiting for the market to come as low as I want it, then I'll buy it again. One of the assets we bought last year was BCD. BCD gave us, which is Bitcoin Diamond. It gave us 1,000%. And after giving us 1,000%, it dropped. So you must understand that all these assets, you need to handle them in your portfolio, not because somebody said it, but because you understand portfolio structure, your portfolio structure. Then you begin to put the money at the right place, not because somebody said you go and buy. No. And with that, you can now begin to scale up your portfolio and you're good to go. Okay? So I've given you guys two major projects, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I've given you the price that I and my team were looking at buying. Now, will it get there? Somebody said to me on Facebook that my prediction is coming to pass. Yeah, I'm excited, but guys, there's a lot of work because you have to wait. That's what a lot of people don't want. People don't want to wait. They just want to make money. Even in the Forex trading industry, people don't want to wait. They just want to make money. And whenever the pressure is on making money, you're going to be having issue. Because it is not about waiting. There's a lot of requirement that is needed for you to make money. And you need to understand all of this before you say to yourself, you want to trade, you want to invest. So I really crave your indulgence to understand how this works, so that you're not just buying asset blindly, but you're structuring your portfolio to be able to give you what you want. Somebody is saying, Udo Esther says, what of BNB? What do you mean by what of BNB? Is it the price I am looking? If I want to buy BNB, if I want to buy BNB needs to come below $60 or $22. I think the last time I checked. But it has to be part of your project that you want to buy. If it is not part of it, don't go and put your money in. Hope I've answered your question. Esther Uber. Okay, so I'm expecting Bitcoin. I'm expecting, BNB. I'm expecting BNB to drop to below below $28. Below $28, I can put my money. Below $28. That's the place I can put my money. But you have to be able to Okay, good. Hope I've been able to establish some stuff for you tonight. So expect a huge crash in all the market except Forex, because Forex Forex acts liquidity, and a lot of time there's a lot of a lot of levels to bounce around. Okay, so that's the why Forex trading is different. Aki and Co. Wisdom. Yeah. Aki and Co said wisdom. Thank you so much, Aki and Co. So tell me, what are your questions today? What are your questions today? I've answered your question, Udo Esther. Okay. If I want to put my money in BNB, I'll put my money at anything below $28. Any other question, guys? If you have gained value today, come on, type in value. That show some love now. Olatomiwa said gain massive today. Fantastic. Joel said amazing, sir. Fantastic. Okay. So Femi said amazing, sir. Olatomiwa said gain massive knowledge today. Fantastic. So somebody is saying, what of Udo S that says, what ecosystem do you recommend? A lot of ecosystem outside there. I've recommended near. I'm expecting near to come as low as $2 or $1. That's what I'm going to be buying near. Any other project? We have about 20, 20, 23, more than 20 assets that we are buying, but you have to be in the paid group. Okay, I can't give you everything that the paid group having access to. So, but I've given you Bitcoin, I've given you where we are buying, I've given you Ethereum, I've given you where you are buying, I've given you Next Protocol, I've given you where we are buying below $2. That's where we're buying Next Protocol. And Next Protocol has the capacity to give us 30x. 30x. So somebody is saying, do you have separate account for cryptocurrencies? Yes, please. Cryptocurrency is more of investment. So Femi said, what does it take to join our community? To join our community is $1,500 for 1 year. Okay. To join our community is $1,500 for 1 year. And we have 30% discount for people right now. So if you are interested, reach out to the office line and get the 30% discount. So somebody will say, what am I going to get if I join your team? Definitely, you're going to be having access to our cryptocurrency checklist. You're going to be having access to our DeFi playbook. where you are to stake. You're going to have access to our launch pads and degens pre-sales. So you have access to project before they launch them. You're also going to be having access to what platform. You're going to also have access to short-term and long-term trades. Okay, short-term and long-term trades. So you're actually going to have access to a lot. Even my training on cryptocurrency, you're going to have access to it in that 1 year subscription. So all you need to do is to pay $1,000 for 1 year. You have access to it. So Andrew says, what is PLC Ultima ecosystem? Well, I've heard about PLC Ultima, but I didn't put my money inside it because I don't know. That is good does not mean it's for you. That is good does not mean it's for you. Okay. My question is about ITC strategy. Okay, that's Forex. Do I need to consider Forex new to trade? Do I need to consider Forex new to trade? Okay, maybe you can reframe your question. I didn't get that. Okay, so ITC is for Forex trading. We also have ITC for cryptocurrency. We have ITC for cryptocurrency. Which platform did you keep your cryptocurrency? Michael Olabode. Binance and external wallets, which is cold wallets. What platform to invest in cryptocurrency? What platform? What platform to invest in cryptocurrency? Go to any of the exchanges, KuCoin or Binance. That's where to start from. Tell me. Akin and Co, please reframe your question or consider Forex newly. I don't get it, but the word is not right. I don't know. I don't understand it. Any other question, guys, on cryptocurrency? What project are you looking at? So one of us said he just bought Shiba. Okay, let's go and check what Shiba has. Yeah, Shiba Shiba is around the area of purchase. Shiba is around the area of purchase right now. Shiba is around the area to purchase it. But I won't buy it right now because it's a community coin. So Bitcoin needs to be up if I want to put my money here for long term. Right now, I recommend don't buy any project except pre-sales. Go and do pre-sales, launch pads. Go and do tech royalty. Those are the things you want to put your money in. Why did you mean my? What do you mean? What do you mean? I guess. Why did you mean my by What do you mean by blockchain project? Blockchain project are ecosystem now. Blockchain projects are ecosystem, but not every blockchain has an ecosystem. Some of them are still building their ecosystem. CRO is an ecosystem, but it is a blockchain. That is, other coins can run on it, can be developed on it. That's what is called blockchain project. What what does it take to have an external wallet? Yes, an external wallet you have to buy is a you can buy it. Tezos is a flash drive like this. You have to buy it. I think Tezos should be about 80,000 or less now. What does it take to have an external wallet? Nothing, just buy, then watch the video on how to transfer, because what you are keeping is the key, your wallet key, and that is the ownership. You need to have it, especially when your portfolio is more than uh, so hello sir, what about PLC Ultima ecosystem? I've told you, I I've told you I didn't put my money in it. Okay. I didn't put my money in it. But if it has an ecosystem, then you can put it in. It's a good project. So Ogunsanya Dollar say, are you still in IML? No, I've left IML almost over a year ago. I run my Owolabi consulting right now. We have uh, we have several subsidiaries. That's what I do right. So what I meant is that I do need to watch news to trade ITC. You don't need to watch news. ITC person. No. We don't send news, we trade. We trade market, we don't watch news. We have made 1 to 23 from yesterday's AUD chef. And I talked to you guys about 1 to 20, 1 to 25. So if you have risked $100 yesterday, you would have made $2,500 right now on USD chef. And when I first gave to you guys on this thing, that's giving us a lot of returns, 1 to 30. Okay. So you don't need news. We don't trade news. We trade markets. We trade pure market. We trade, the institutions don't look at news. So our approach is the way the institutions trade. Okay? So our approach is the way the institutions trade. So that's why when I told you guys to sell NZD Chef has given us good money and it's still dropping. So, but today is crypto, so don't let me talk Forex. We'll talk about Forex on Saturday. So you don't need to, I don't even remember the last time I checked Forex Factory. I can't remember. Okay. Hey, awesome. How can I reach you? Okay. Reach out to the company line. They will get they will get you, you'll be able to reach me via them. Okay. Go to our view. So that's the company line. And for those that are joining the cryptocurrency community, you have 30% discount. You have access to our cryptocurrency checklist where you are buying, where you are to take profit, where you are to stake them. You have access to that. You're also going to have access to how we make a kai. Our tech royal, you're going to have access to that. You're also going to be having access to our DeFi playbook. You have access to that. So you have 30% discount instead of paying $1,500 for 1 year. You have access for one. You pay $1,000 for 1 year. This is the time to be in crypto space right now. Then you also have access to our training. Our training alone, you will understand what is making crypto to run up and down. Okay, so that's it. Any okay? So I think I saw a question right now. So Olagunju is asking a question. Olatomiwa is saying, please, boss, what's your take on Comp? Comp is a DeFi project. So my challenge with DeFi project is that they go through a lot to succeed. Okay, so it's a very good project, but right now those guys are those guys are going through a lot right now. As a matter of fact, some are you can see Comp is below the previous low. So until the next bull run, when people put in money and go and stake with them, then they will turn back and start going up. They will turn back. So imagine when the next bull run starts and this company succeeds by succeeds by they were able to they were able to overcome the bear market move. Good. Then this kind of project can give you like 3,000 in the next bull run. Let me see that. So right now we have um, so the next bull run 3,800. Let's say 3,005. That will be it. So it's not a bad project. It's not a bad project. Okay, it's not a bad project because it's one of the most successful projects. But it will look at the last bull run. Look at people made good money in the last bull run. People made good money in the last bull run. So he's going to wait for the next bull run. And a lot will be happening there. Any other question? Hey, good evening, Clestos. How is it going, my brother? So what you want to do for me right now? Freely I get, freely I give. Can you click on the share button? You guys, I want share. Click on the share button. I and my team will definitely help you. When will the bull run come? Between 3 to 6 months. Nobody knows exactly when, but between 3 to 6 months, we should see it. Do you trade fix? Fix 75? No, I don't. But I have protogees that trade it. They use ITC strategy. So you can use ITC to trade it. I don't trade every financial market. I only trade stocks, crypto, forex. I don't trade derivatives. The 30% discount, you better pay today so that you can keep it. Please, sir, what are we expecting on Ethereum? I've said that already. I guess you are just joining. I said Ethereum should come below 200 $200. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. That'll be all for today. I'm sure you guys gained some amazing value. So all you need to do is to reach out to the company's admin, or you shoot us an email at contact@mywowolabi.com. Anyone that suits you. Okay, so that you can join the crypto group. A lot is happening right now. So you can have access to our lists and you can make good money for yourself. Okay, very. At least you can even have access to our tech royal. Tech royal, you generate tokens, which is making a lot of sense, right? Little projects. That's what you're going to be having access to. Stanley is saying, Mr. Maiwa, where do you analyze your cryptocurrency? Is it on TradingView? Yes, please. Is it on TradingView? Yes, it's on TradingView. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. My name is Bayo Wolabi. I look forward to your success. Make sure you take your time, calm down. Understand that what goes up will always come down, and what is down will always go up. That's the way life is structured. Nothing will go up permanently forever. Okay? So make sure you restructure your portfolio as the market is down right now. Don't put your money in portfolio that does not make sense or in asset that does not meet the portfolios. Okay, and if you have any question, you can reach out to my team. You can shoot us an email or you send us you can reach out on WhatsApp or on call, and we'll definitely attend to you. Okay, have a pleasant day. My name is Ismail Wawolabi, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, peace out, guys.